Silverton in Pretoria, home of Ford Motor Company, South Africa. What am I here to do today? I'm here to do a factory tour. But let me tell you, I didn't invite myself. I had the privilege and pleasure of being invited by the President of Ford South Africa, Neil Hill, to come see the incredible facility. We're not allowed to film inside, I've got to tell you that, but you're going to see incredible B-roll. What's in store? I don't know. It's my first factory tour. However, am I excited? You know that already. Can't wait to share it.
Welcome to the Ford manufacturing plant in South Africa, a place where technology meets history and where the legendary Ford Ranger is born. We are here at Ford's Silverton Assembly Plant in Pretoria, a world-class facility that produces up to 200,000 vehicles a year. This site combines South African expertise with Ford's global engineering excellence. Ford South Africa's journey began back in 1923 in a converted wool store in Port Elizabeth. By 1924, the first locally assembled Model T rolled off the line. Over the decades, Ford expanded, building some of the world's most iconic cars. It all starts here, at the stamping plant. Steel sheets arrive in rolls and are pressed into doors, hoods, and body panels using giant hydraulic presses, exerting up to 2,500 tons of force. Next, we move to the chassis plant. Here, more than 400 robotic stations work alongside human engineers to weld, align, and assemble the backbone of every Ford Ranger. Each frame undergoes precision checks before moving to the next stage. In the paint shop, cutting-edge robotics and cleanroom technology ensure every vehicle receives a flawless finish. Each coat is baked at over 140 degrees Celsius, making it durable against the harsh African climate, and ensuring it meets Ford's global standards for finish quality. This is the final assembly area, where craftsmanship meets precision engineering. Engines, interiors, and electronics are all installed, tested, and calibrated. Every vehicle passes through over 1,200 quality checkpoints before leaving the line. Behind every Ranger stands a proud South African team, more than 5,000 employees strong, with generations of skill and dedication. And with over 100 local suppliers, Ford's impact extends far beyond these factory walls.
If you like it, you can touch it. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. Let me prove it to you. To Ford South Africa, I've just had the most incredible factory tour. 10 of your highest officials were present. The way you made me feel absolutely exemplary. The way we spoke afterwards and shared mutual concerns, incredible. To Ford South Africa and your incredible team, to the motoring public that loves Ford, this is an exceptional brand and I look forward to working with this truly exceptional brand.